Introduction. In this video, we'll explore what software architecture is and why it's critical for developing robust, scalable applications. Software architecture is the blueprint that guides the structure, components, and interactions of your application. By understanding architecture, developers can make informed decisions that impact the success, performance, and maintainability of software. What is software architecture? Software architecture refers to the high-level structure of a software system, defining how different components interact and work together to meet the requirements of the application. It acts as a roadmap that guides developers in implementing solutions that are scalable, maintainable, and robust. Importance of software architecture. A well-defined software architecture is essential for several reasons. Scalability. Supports growth without requiring a complete rewrite. Maintainability. Easier to update and adapt as requirements evolve. Performance. Optimizes the way resources are managed and used. Security. Provides a framework to incorporate security measures effectively. Types of software architecture. When designing a system, developers can choose from various architectural styles. Here are some common ones. Monolithic architecture. A single, unified codebase. Simple but less scalable. Microservices architecture. Divides applications into smaller, independent services, highly scalable and flexible. Layered architecture. Divides applications into layers, e.g., presentation, business, data. Promotes separation of concerns. Event-driven architecture. Components communicate through events, suitable for systems needing real-time updates. Choosing the right architecture. Choosing the right architecture depends on factors like the project's scale, expected user base, performance needs, and team expertise. Consider the following. Requirements. Understand the system's functional and non-functional requirements. Scalability needs. Choose an architecture that supports future growth. Team skills. Ensure your team is comfortable with the chosen architecture. Maintenance and budget. Evaluate the long-term maintenance costs and available resources. Conclusion. Software architecture is a critical aspect of software development that shapes the design and functionality of applications. Understanding the different architectural styles and choosing the one that best suits your project is key to building scalable, maintainable, and high-performing software. In future videos, we'll dive deeper into specific architectural styles and best practices to help you make informed decisions.